Let's compare the pair. Did you know that SWOOP has a feature where you can compare reports? It makes comparing data across your network even easier. First, find the report you'd like to compare. For example, let's compare the interactive members report in this community for two different date ranges. First, click on the three little dots in the top right corner of the report and then click Compare. A pop-up will appear and we can start changing some stuff around. Let's check the activity of this community from yesterday to the same date last month. And there you have it, an easy way to track growth and changes in the one view. You can use this feature in many ways. Some examples are: compare reports like two-way relationships, response rate, and mention index to see growth in collaboration and problem solving, comparing the same report from two different communities to compare performance, and comparing benchmark lists to see a quick snapshot across different date ranges. There's no need to flick between dashboards and tabs. Compare it all in the one view. There's so much more you can compare. Jump into your dashboard and see what you can come up with.